welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soap Stories, and guys namhlanje ke sikhuluma ngenimba. Niyazi mangabe kuyi weekend sesin update ukuthi yini ongasuke uyilindele ke emidlalweni yakho ke oyithanda kakhulu. So guys, kuleli viki ke njengoba nibonile ukuthi ke last week uAzande ke izinto ke azimhambeli ke neze kahle, engazuthi ke impela ke akusalungi ngampela. It's time for him to pay for izono zakhe. On the other side, sino Zethu guys. uZethu is fighting the battle between abakwamabandla nabakwaSithole. But what I like about her ukuthi uyabona ukuthi ke othumeka, it's not that they love her, but they want the child, they want to be in her child's life. So guys ke bayahamba ke bozama ukwenza into yenhlawulo ke. So uZethu batshela ukuthi ukuthi nize la ukuthi nithathe ingane yami, ayisheme ngamane nihambe nalelo siko leni, mina ke anginandaba ke nalo, anginandaba nje nalelo siko leni enizolenza la. Bese kuthi okunye guys, uLwandle ke uyabuya, and uma wakhe utshela ke ubaba wakhe ukuthi ke njengoba ebuya ke ucanga ukuthi kufanele aqale ke ayosebenza khona lapha kwiZondo Tech, of which I think it's not easy for uZondo ukuthi ke avumelane nonkosikazi wakhe, njengoba vele nje kunale feud ekhona between uZondo ke kanye ke nakamabandla ngenxa kaLwandle. But ke uLwandle guys is coming back, uzosebenza khona lapha enkampanini ke yasekhaya kubo. Okunye ke guys okuzokwenzeka ukuthi ke they are bringing back the storyline sikaYanga. Sizobona ke nengane ke avumile ke uLazarus uzomthatha ayomitha ke umabandla, and ke guys baby girl uYanga will tell ubaba wakhe ukuthi this is why I always tells you ukuthi uLazarus is a better father than you, ngoba yena uhleze present uma ngamuntu ke emdinga. And we learn ukuthi ke guys uHlathi uzozama ukuthi ke abesempilweni ke kaYanga after those painful words by ke uYanga. So enye into guys evelile last week ukuthi uZondo nomama kaZethu engazi ukuthi kukhona la bazanelana khona, but ke uZondo yena ngazi ukuthi cha akasamkhumbuli. Abanye ke bathi ngenzeka ukuthi ke uZethu ingane kaZondo, but ngenxa ukuthi ke uZondo akasamkhumbuli uZethu, kungenzeka yini ukuthi ke uZethu noma ke uZondo kanye ke nomama kaZethu they are siblings, mhlawumbe bashare ubaba or bashare ke umama, or there is history nje ekhona ebahlobanisayo bona. So yeah guys, I don't know ukuthi ke ucabanga kanjani ngaleyo nto. Ucabange kanjani mangabe ubona umama kaZethu embuka ngale yandlela ethi ngathi kukhona la engikwazela khona. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.